Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use your points that you've got from, let's say, American Express or HSBC, and how can you actually use them on Amazon.com. First things first, you're going to go ahead and type in Amazon.com, and after you've logged into your account or created one if you already don't have one, you're going to scroll all the way down here where you see shop with points right here. You're going to click on that. Here you can see the different providers that provide points that you can actually use on Amazon.com in order to get discounts on some products that you purchase here. Okay, let's say we want to go to HSBC. Okay, and after that we can link our HSBC account to the Amazon account, and we can use our points that way to get discounts on the Amazon products that we want to actually purchase. Okay, that's it for today's video, guys, and see you in the next one.